a 51-year-old man goes to the family physician with a complaint of heartburn, which has been gradually increasing over the last 10 years. The heartburn gets worse after eating spicy food and improves with antacids. His past medical history is benign. He is a security guard and works long hours at night. He admits to smoking 1.5 packs of cigarettes daily. Upper GI endoscopy reveals several gastric ulcers and regions of inflammation. A biopsy was obtained, which reveals gram-negative bacteria colonizing the surface of the regenerated.
So basically, we this is a question talking about H. pylori. So H. pylori, how does it survive in your acidic environment in the stomach? It is by producing urease. If you remember, H. pylori is a triple positive organism. It is urease positive, catalase positive, and oxidase positive. So H. pylori, it neutralizes the acid by producing urease, which hydrolyzes urea to carbon dioxide and ammonia. This ammonia neutralizes the acid. All right. So basically, and what is the choice of investigation? That is upper GI endoscopy to diagnose a suspected case of pelvic inflammatory peptic ulcer disease. All right, but don't worry about it. This is not really important for your step 1. It is more important for your step 2. Only thing you need to know over here is how does it neutralize the acid, which is by a urease enzyme, and what does it produce? It produces carbon dioxide and ammonia, which helps to neutralize the acid present in the stomach, and that is how it survives inside the acidic environment of the stomach. Okay, and these are all other options which are not really needed. Prostaglandins is the body's mechanism of neutralizing the acid, not the bacteria's mechanism. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.